Yes. Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Is my voice clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the first question that you have shared is itself wrong. 724 into minus 56 plus minus 724 into 44 equal to. Okay. So in such cases, first of all, you have to remove the brackets. Okay. So how to remove the brackets? We can write 724 into minus 56 straightforward. And then this plus minus will become what?
Minus.
Minus. So here we will write minus 724 into 44. Okay, so brackets are gone. Equal to. Now what are you going to take as common?
724. 724.
Okay, 724 is taken as common. So this 2, we will encircle that. So now what can we write? 724 into. Here it will be minus 56. And what is left now? 44 or minus 44 is left?
44.
Why? Why not this minus? There is no meaning of this minus.
Sir, there is.
When we have taken 724 as common, then this sign is left now minus. So that we have to take with 44 like this. Whatever is taken as common, then you have to see that is there any sign left plus or minus. That also you have to add up. Otherwise, the answer will be totally wrong. Now, whatever sign, see this minus has been written here, isn't it? This minus sign, we have added it here with 56. So, in the same way, we have not taken minus 724 as common. We have taken only 724 as common. So this is also left and this is also left. So minus 44 will come here. Okay. Now we will move further. Now what can we write? 724 into. What will be inside the bracket? Minus 56 minus 44.
Sir?
Now what will come in this bracket? Minus 56 minus 44 equal to what?
Sir, sir, 12.
12. How many times I have told you if it is minus 2, minus 3, then simply minus 5. Minus 2 means 2 places down, then minus 3 means 3 places more down. That means you are now 5 steps down. So it will be written as minus 5. Similarly, here 56 steps downward and then 44 steps more downward. So how much it comes out to be? It comes out to be simply minus 100. So it is equal to minus 72400. That's all. So simple. But you are making it complex by thinking more than required. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So it was multiple choice question or it was like subjective?
Sir, subject.
Subjective, okay. I could not check the paper because I just checked the first question. It was wrong. Let me check the question paper once. Subtract the quotient of 100 divided by 200 from the product of. Subtract the quotient of means this is to be subtracted from 100 into 20. Have you done like this only?
Yes, sir.
Have you done in this way? What is your answer of the second question?
Sir, 1995.
This is the answer.
Yes.
Okay, let us check. That is right. Kiran purchased kg apples and oranges. What is the total weight of fruits purchased by her? So, was this the answer in the test also, or you have just done it in the home?
Sir, this was the answer in the test.
Okay, then it's okay. Now, the third question, what is your answer for the third question that you have done in the test?
Yes, sir. Sir, it is 33 upon 4.
33 upon 4. You added, na? 3, 1 by 2 plus 4, 3 by 4, isn't it? 7 by 2 plus 19 by 4. 4 LCM. 14 plus 19. That comes 33 by 4. Is it the same that you have done in your test also?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then it's good.
Good evening, sir. Sir,
Good evening. Okay, no koi baat. Now the fourth one. If this kg, these are to be distributed among 6 children equally, what is the answer that you have got for the fourth question, Jagrit?
Yes, sir. Sir, I got 404.1.
404.1.
Yes,
Then
sir.
that answer is
Sir, rupees.
wrong. That is wrong. See, rupees 242.46 rupees, this much, are distributed among 6 children. If I am having this much rupees, or your father is having this much rupees in his pocket, and he distributes it to you, me, Abhijit, then will my share be more than the share that your father is having now? If it is distributed, then the amount will be less, na? That will be shared by each one.
Yes, sir.
Now it has been distributed among 6 persons equally. Like if I am having 60 rupees and I am distributing it among 6 persons, 3, 4, 5, 6 equally, then how much it will get? 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Not like this. Then each one is getting only 10 rupees. This is the answer. In this way you have to do. Means we have to divide 60 by 6. Then we are going to get 10. So here also 242.46 is to be divided by 6. Then you are going to get the answer. You have to just apply simple logic that the answer should be greater than the amount that is already there, or it should be less than that. If any amount is being distributed equally among many persons and you have to find the share of each person, then obviously the answer should be less than 242 at least. Is that so difficult to analyze? Now solve this one. What is your answer? अभिजीत, तुम्हारा कौन कौन सा क्वेश्चन नहीं हो पाया था? तुमने कहा था ना मुझे मैसेज करके कि ये क्वेश्चन नहीं हो पाया, कुछ बोला था तुमने?
Yes, sir.
कौन कौन सा क्वेश्चन नहीं हो पाया? फोर्थ वाला हो गया ना?
Yes, sir.
इसका क्या आंसर है तुम्हारा?
Sir, one.
And Jagrit, solve it and send me the pic on WhatsApp.
Sir, I didn't understand the 9th and 7th question.
Okay, means fourth you have done, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Jagrit, can you do it?
Sir.
Two 242.46. It is to be divided by 6. So Abhijit, what's your answer in this? चेक करो, व्हाट्सएप पे भेजा है ना मुझे?
Yes, sir.
तो क्या आंसर है उसमें?
Yes, sir.
Sir, my answer is same, but sir, I put a wrong decimal place.
Sir, 40.1.
So what is your answer, Jagrit, now?
सर मैंने डेसिमल गलत लगाया था सर, मेरा वो सेम वही आ रहा है
डिवाइड ही किया है या मल्टीप्लाई किया है टेस्ट में?
सर। डिवाइड किया है।
डिवाइड किया है तो कॉमन सेंस लगा लेते कि 40 तो चल सकता है, बिकॉज 40 अगर एक आदमी को मिलेगा तो 6 पर्सन मीन्स 240 अप्रॉक्स। तो 242 से ज्यादा तो आ ही नहीं सकता ना, इट इज जस्ट इम्पॉसिबल। नाउ इज दिस आंसर राइट? अभिजीत,
Yes, sir.
ये गलत है। Jagrit, what's your answer? This only 40.1.
नो सर, सर मेरा
What is-
नंबर वही है, मैंने डेसिमल गलत लगाया है।
But have you got the same answer 401?
नो सर, सर
Then
4041।
that only I'm asking. Means you have got 4041. And decimal, if we apply the common sense, then it should be here. Because 40 into 6 is approximately equal to 240. And it is almost equal to 242. Okay. So you can apply simple common sense also. हाँ अभिजीत, how you got 40.1? फिर से करो। ये 4 कहाँ गया? 24 दो बार है ना इधर,
Yes, sir.
तो फिर ये 24 को खा गए। 6 4 जा 24, फिर 0, फिर 6 4 24 नहीं लगेगा? उसके बाद 6 1 जा, क्या नहीं समझ में आया?
Sir, आ गया।
तो फिर इतना बड़ा मिस्टेक कैसे कर रहे हो? सब कुछ आने के बाद भी ऐसे सिली मिस्टेक्स करोगे? Then fifth question, in a quiz rupees 300 was awarded for every correct answer and a penalty of rupees 75 is put for every incorrect answer. Madhuri answered 15 questions, out of which only 6 Madhuri answered total 50 questions. Okay, out of which 6 answers were correct. 6 were correct. Okay, these are the correct answers. And how
सर
many
9
are?
इनकरेक्ट।
9 incorrect. Okay, 9 incorrect. Now rupees 300 are awarded for every correct answer. Rupees 300 are awarded for every correct answer. Means if you have done
Sir,
6
will
correct,
multiply.
then 6 into
Yes,
300,
sir.
isn't it? Okay. And the penalty of rupees 75 is put for every incorrect.
We
Means
will
into
subtract it, sir.
how much? Into 75.
Into
75।
75. Sir,
Okay.
and then we will minus 375.
6 into 300 minus 9 into 75 equal to. Solve this. Tell me what's the answer.
Sir, I got it.
Have you done it correctly?
Yes, sir, I have done with same. Sir, 6 into 300, 1800 and 675.
This you have got here what you have got? 75
Sir,
into 9.
675. Yes, sir, 675.
Okay.
Sir,
Equal
then
to
we will subtract it.
how much?
Sir, 1125 rupees, 1125.
Sir, I
Is this
got
your
the
answer?
answer.
Is this the answer?
Sir, I got the answer.
What is your answer?
Sir, me, Abhijit.
हाँ,
Sir, 225.
225. How? You have subtracted 675 from 1800 or something else?
No, sir, I have subtracted 300 from 75 for 300.
Can you see the board that I am showing?
Yes, sir.
Is there anything wrong in this?
Yes.
Huh?
No,
Sir,
sir.
is my answer correct?
हाँ, yes. Then अभिजीत तुम्हारा गलत कैसे आ गया? क्या गलत किया तुमने? कुछ तो बोलो.
Sir,
6 into 300 नहीं आता, या 9 into 75 नहीं आता, या माइनस करना नहीं आता. क्या नहीं आता है तुम्हें?
sir, multiply.
मल्टीप्लाई करना नहीं आता. तो हम पहले
Sir,
मल्टीप्लाई
आता है.
पढ़ेंगे. सिक्स क्लास का, सिक्स
Sir,
क्लास का.
आता है.
अभी तो तुमने कहा आता है, तो गलत क्यों करते हो? क्या फायदा आने का जब गलती कर रहे हो? तो आने से कोई फायदा है? जब तुम करते ही नहीं हो क्वेश्चंस, तो फिर आने से कोई फायदा है?
Excuse me, sir.
हाँ,
Sir, फर्स्ट का आंसर 72,400 था, माइनस 72.
माइनस था ना, माइनस में था.
यस सर. सर मैंने भी माइनस किया, माइनस 72,400.
क्या टेस्ट में?
यस सर, मैंने इसमें भी यही लिखा है.
इसमें भी यही लिखा है. नहीं नहीं,
Yes,
तुम्हारा
sir,
जो
minus
टेक्निक है वही
72.
गलत है ना. तुम जो फर्स्ट स्टेप लिखा है लाइन, मुझे देखो खोलने दो. जो तुमने फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन किया है ना, बाय डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी यू हैव रिटन, एंड देन द फर्स्ट लाइन दैट यू हैव रिटन इज माइनस 724 इनटू, इन ब्रैकेट यू हैव रिटन माइनस 56. देयर कांट बी टू माइनस, देयर इज ओनली वन माइनस इन द क्वेश्चन. दिख रहा है?
यस सर.
देन फिर तुमने नीचे माइनस माइनस किया, और माइनस माइनस को फिर से आंसर में माइनस लिख दिया. दैट शुड बी प्लस. देन यू आर जस्ट डूइंग हिट एंड ट्रायल मेथड, है ना? तुम बस तुक्का मार रहे हो. यू आर नॉट क्लियर अबाउट द कॉन्सेप्ट्स. अभी मैंने जो टेक्निक बताया वो समझ में आया ना कैसे करना है? द सेम टेक्निक इज टू बी यूज्ड एवरीवेयर.
यस
फर्स्ट द ब्रैकेट्स आर टू बी रिमूव्ड. ठीक है? नाउ लेट मी स्विच टू द क्वेश्चन पेपर.
Sir, I have done this type of question in RSL. Sir, I so confused हो गया था sir.
तुम मल्टीप्लाई नहीं कर पा रहे, तो फिर क्या मैं कह सकता हूँ जब तुमसे मल्टीप्लाई गलत हो रहा है. नाउ सिक्स्थ क्वेश्चन. हैव यू डन दिस जागृत, सिक्स्थ क्वेश्चन इन द टेस्ट?
यस सर. सर दिस कैन बी रॉन्ग सर. दिस वन.
What's your answer in this? What answer you
Sir,
got? Have you written that?
यस सर.
What was your answer?
Sir, 6,000. Sir, I was not able to do it.
6,000. Abhijit, you have done it?
Sir, see. Yes, sir, I have done.
Okay. Rohit bought a motorcycle for rupees 36,000. Rupees 36,000. Okay.
Sir, I have done it.
Okay. Okay.
Sir, 1/6 divided by 3,600.
No, 1/6 into 36,000. 1/6 of. Of always means multiplication in mathematics. Okay.
Sir, can I tell my answer?
Tell.
Sir, 25,000 rupees per month.
Okay, we will check up. He paid 1/6 of the price in cash. Means 6,000 has been given in cash. Okay. And the rest in 12 monthly installments. So what is the rest amount? 30,000 is to be paid more. In how many installments? In 12. So divided by 12. What each month he will be giving, then that will be obviously less than 30,000. Now 30,000 is to be divided by 12. Is that understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Because the rest is to be paid in 12 equal installments. So this is the rest, and 12 equal installment means you are dividing it in 12 parts equally. That means you have to divide 30,000 by 12. Now tell me what will be the answer when we divide 30,000 by 12.
Um,
Anything?
Sir, 25,000.
25,000. 30,000 divided by 12 करोगे 25,000 आएगा. तभी तो कह रहा हूँ you have to
No,
first
sir.
learn multiplication and division. तुम 4th 5th क्लास का बुक खरीद लो, वहाँ पे है तुम्हारे पास. You have to buy 4th and 5th class maths book. First you have to understand this multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. Then only you can come to this class. तो एक बार फिर से 4th 5th क्लास से शुरू कर दो, नहीं तो
2,500.
4 3s are 4 7s are 28, 4 5s are 20 0 0, 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 0 0, 2,500 रुपीज. और तुम उसका 10 टाइम्स बता रहे हो 25,000. कोई सेंस है? तुम हर महीने 25,000 दोगे तो पापा तुम्हारे बेचारे एकदम गरीबी हो जाएंगे. तुम्हारे पास दाल रोटी के लिए पैसा नहीं बचेगा अगर इस ढंग से खर्च करोगे. तो कहोगे आई हैव कैलकुलेटेड इट पापा. And then after 1 year he will realize that the bank balance is totally zero because of Abhijit, because he didn't know multiplication and division. Screenshot लेते रहना, ठीक है? Now can I clear this page?
Yes, sir.
Next question, by how much does the sum of 17.443 and 29.657, first the sum is to be done of 17.443 and 29 point. Tell me what answer you have got.
No, sir, I have not done this question. Sir, I have done.
Okay.
Sir, I
And
have done.
what is your answer, Jagrit, in this?
Sir, sir, the this addition one or the final
No,
answer?
the final answer.
Which I got. Okay. So 14.865.
Okay, let us check. First, we will add this 7 plus 3 is how much? 10, 0, 1 carry over, 0, 1 carry over, 1, 1, 7, 1, 4, 47. Okay, 47.100. This is the sum of the first two elements that is given. Now, what
Yes,
is
sir.
told? Exceed the sum of. Now, again, we will sum up what? 13.687 and 18.548. 18.548. 7 plus 8, 5, 1, 13, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. This is 3, 32.235. Now, how much this exceeds this one? So, we will have to subtract how much 5
Subtract.
exceeds 3 by 2. Similarly, we have to do 47.100 minus 32.235. Okay. Now, here 5, 9 minus 3 is 6. Here we will get 8. Then here we got 4 and 1. That's right, Jagrit. 14.865 you have now got, na?
Yes, sir.
Then your answer is right. Okay, now we will move to Abhijit, कुछ doubt है इस question में?
No, sir.
वो क्या पूछ रहा है? इन दोनों का जो sum है वो इन दोनों के sum से कितना ज्यादा है? That's all.
सर वो पहले तो मैंने कर दिए थे, लास्ट में एक्सीड समझ में.
Exceeds मतलब हो गया ना exceeding. Exceeding मतलब exceeding the limit. मतलब limit cross कर रहा है. मतलब ज्यादा है ना, इतना ज्यादा है. गाड़ी का जो स्पीड है दैट इज एक्सीडिंग बाय 20 किलोमीटर पर आवर. मतलब इतना स्पीड ज्यादा चल रहा है, ठीक है. एक्सीड मतलब कितना ज्यादा है. नाउ 8th क्वेश्चन हैव यू डन, जागृत?
Yes, sir.
What was your answer in 8th question, the first part?
Yes, sir. Sir, first part 16 upon 1 or 16.
16. Mr. Sharma bought this much of fabric. She need this much meter to make 12 curtains. Remaining is used to make 4 cushion covers. Based on this information, answer the following. How much fabric is used for cushion cover? Bought
Sir, I have
how
also
much?
done.
Okay. Your answer is same? Is your answer same, Abhijit? 16? That Jagrit told me.
Sir, first one.
Ah,
Yes, sir.
okay. She need 29 1/4 meter to make 12 curtains. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir. Sir,
No, I was on a call. Okay. 29 1/4 meter to make 12 curtains. Okay. Now what is told? Remaining is used to make 4 cushion covers. Remaining means we will have to what? We will have to subtract. Isn't it? Because what is the
yes, sir.
remaining part?
Yes,
Remaining, okay, is equal to what? How can we subtract it?
sir, converting it into like fraction.
Okay. Now what can we write here? 45 1/4 means
181 upon 4.
Sir, 181.
minus.
Subtracted, sir, 100, 117 upon 4.
Is it right, Abhijit?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Then next 181 minus 117. What will it be?
Sir, 64 upon 4.
So 64.
64 upon 1 second.
Sir, then we will simplify it.
Sir,
64
and
upon
then
4.
it will be 32. So then it will be 32 upon 1. Yeah,
4 ones are 4 and then 4 6 are. Why 32? You are cutting it by 2.
Sir, I got 16. Sir, I got
Then
16.
that's right. So the first part is right. Now the next part is how much fabric is needed for one curtain. How can it be done?
Sir,
For
sir, we
12
will,
curtains,
Sir, I have done.
this much
Sir,
is
I have
required.
done.
What is your answer?
Sir, 117 upon 48.
And Jagrit, have you done it?
Sir, 39 meter.
39 meters. See, again, you have not applied the logic. This much 29 and point something is to be required for 12 curtains. So for one curtain, you will require less than 29 or more than 29? 29 1/4 meter का cloth है. You have to cut it na in 12 equal parts to make 12 curtains from it.
Yes, sir.
Then your answer will be less than 29 1/4 na, and you are getting the answer as 39, which is more than 29. How you got that much meters extra? You have purchased only 29 1/4. 29 1/4 means it is near to 29 only. 29.25 it comes out to be. Means it is less than 30. 29 1/4 means greater than 29 and less than 30. So if you are separating your, you are cutting it in how many parts? 12 equal parts. Then this is a case of division. Simple. What is to be divided by what? You will divide 29 1/4 into 12 parts. Now divide this one. Tell me what is the answer? 29 1/4 divided by 12.
Sir, I have done this. Sir, 12 divided by 117 upon 4.
117 upon. Why 12 divided by? What is to be divided? 29 1/4 meter is to be divided by 12, not 12 divided by 29 1/4. 29 1/4 कपड़ा है ना, उसको काटोगे ना, that is to be divided.
Sir.
For curtains. So we will write 29 1/4 divided by 12. Now what will be in normal fraction? 29 into 4 is how much? 117 by 4 we have already done, na? Divided by 12. Or it can be written as this into 1 by 12. Or 117 by 12 fours are 48. So this is the answer, which is Abhijit's answer, and that is right. Is that understood?
Yes, sir.
Take screenshot, do it again and share the pic, okay? Now the last question we will be moving to. Can I clear this page?
Yes, sir.
Ninth question. A group of 20 people, there are 20 persons, okay? Went to a restaurant, 9 of them ordered meal. 9 of them ordered a meal of rupees 42.20 each. Each means every person has ordered a meal of rupees 42.20. So there are total 9 persons who ordered meal, isn't it? And what next? Each and 7 of them ordered a meal of rupees. This is meal of rupees 42.20, okay, by 9 persons. And how much are left? And 7 of them ordered a meal of how much? 47.60, isn't it? And rest ordered a meal of rupees 50 each. Rest means how much? 4 persons are left, na?
Sir, 200. Sir, 250.
That is okay, but how much persons are there? Now 4 are left. So 4 into 50, this comes out to be 200, na?
Sir, 5 were left, sir.
Huh?
Sir, 5% were left.
How 5 persons are left? Total there were 20 persons, na? And 9 we have taken here, 7 we have taken here, 9 plus 7 is 16. Then only 4 are left. These are the persons. 9 persons ordered a meal of 42.20 each. 7 persons ordered a meal of 47.60 each. And 4 persons ordered a meal of 50 rupees each. So how much 9 persons have spent? Now tell me what is the value of 9 into 42.20? Calculate and tell me.
Sir, 9 into 42.20.
Yes.
Sir, 379.80.
Okay. And 7 into 47.60 is how much?
Sir, 33.3. Sir,
Huh?
Sir, I did not understand this question.
अभिजीत क्या हुआ? समझ में नहीं आया?
Yes, sir. Sir, ये वाला आया नहीं.
20 लोग होटल में गए रेस्टोरेंट में खाने, ठीक है? उसमें से 9 लोगों ने खाना ऑर्डर किया. कितने का? 42.20 रुपीस का एक मील था. वो ऑर्डर किया 9 लोगों ने अपने अपने लिए. तो 9 लोगों का टोटल कितना हो गया? 9 into 42.20 ना?
Yes, sir.
और 7 लोगों ने जो ऑर्डर किया वो कौन सा थाली ऑर्डर किया? जो 47.60 रुपीस का था. तो 7 लोगों ने ऑर्डर किया. तो टोटल प्राइस कितना देना पड़ेगा उन्हें? 7 into 47.60, है ना? और 4 लोग जो बच गए उन्होंने ऑर्डर किया 50 रुपीज वाला खाना. तो टोटल उनको कितना देना पड़ेगा? 200 रुपए. क्योंकि 4 लोगों ने लिया ना. 4 into 50. तो तीनों मिल गया ना, तीनों के आंसर्स.
Yes, sir.
So how much money is spent by 9 people who ordered the same meal? ये हो गया rupees 379.80. And find the total spent by 20 people. टोटल कितना आएगा? टोटल कर सकते हो ना?
Yes, sir.
देखो कितना आ रहा है.
सर सबका निकालना है ना?
हाँ, तो टोटल इन तीनों को प्लस करोगे तो आ जाएगा ना. और क्या सबका निकालना है? टोटल मतलब क्या होता है? तीनों जितना आया वो सारा ऐड करोगे ना. उसमें डाउट क्या है? $913.00, ठीक है?
Yes, sir. 9130.
तो ये सारा फिर से खुद से करो और बिना देखे. इसको मेरा जो आंसर मैंने किया तो देख के नहीं करना है. यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस इट योरसेल्फ. उसके आंसर्स बार बार चेक करो, उसके बाद फिर से करो एंड देन शेयर द पिक्स, ठीक है, व्हाट्सएप पे.
okay, sir.
Okay, that's all for today. Bye.
Okay, sir.